Tired of juggling countless tasks in your Whop store? Let's untangle that mess by connecting Whop to Zapier and automating your workflow. First, log into your Whop account. You'll want to navigate to the Settings section, usually found in the bottom left corner of your dashboard, represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access your Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab. It might be labeled simply as Integrations or Apps. Click on this tab to view available integrations for your Whop account. We are now one step closer to getting Whop and Zapier connected. Scroll through the list of available integrations until you find Zapier. Click on the Zapier Integration. You might see a button that says Connect, Enable, or Install. Click on that button to start the integration process with Zapier. This will take you to the next screen. You'll be redirected to Zapier, and you will be prompted to authorize Whop to connect with your Zapier account. Authorize the connection to your account and select a Whop trigger. Then, Zapier will prompt you to search for what app to connect Whop with. Now you can create your Zap. Now, anytime that trigger happens in Whop, an action will happen in another app automatically. You can use this to create automations, like automatically adding new customers to your email list, or even tracking sales data in a spreadsheet. Integrating Whop with Zapier is the key to simplifying your workflow.